Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Vasant. I am from New English School Chinspada from 8th standard. So now we know about agriculture. So friends, agriculture is the main occupation in our earth. We know the farmer grow weeds and that weeds we will eat by the form of energy. So now we know the agriculture was a main occupation for the human. So now I make a project on agriculture. We can see in our agriculture we use a modern technology to be used in the rural areas. Many times the rural areas what no have water and their farm and their weeds was go to the die. So now we know many times the water problem we can solve with the help of this technology project. This is our modern technology. Now friends, we know we have a two type of agriculture. First is a wheat and second is a grapes. We know the grapes agriculture have a lot of the water and that's time we created this water tank. Water tank has a lot of the capacity to store water inside there. So now you can see easily the pipe was connected by the water tank and that the water pipe was go into the farm. And now you can see the top of that water tank. We can fix a motor that the motor created the pressure. That pressure was go into the tank and so the water was supplied into that pipe to the grape farm. We know about it. And second is our borewell. We know borewell is a used from 19th century. The borewell is a very easily used. We know the borewell was created pressure inside there so that pressure absorbed that the water into a well. So in any condition we use the borewell from the water supply and then the water was thrown into the another side of that borewell and the water was go directly into that the wheat farm. So friend, this is two type of farm have a water supply. But now second step of agriculture is the health of that the soil. So many times the farmer was used to animals dome to the make the good health of their agriculture soil. We know the farmer's dome was a very useful because we know the animal's dome was a very useful in our agriculture. The land was a grow very fastly. So now friends, this is our agriculture project. But many times the farmer have a lot of the energy to that the motor and that etc. borewell. So now if we can solve this energy problem with the windmill. Farmer use windmill to make the energy and that the energy was go into that the motors and the other their homes. Now we can see the light was started with the help of that windmill. So friend, this is a many types of energy, but mostly the farmer use windmill because the wind was many times the wind was the strongest in that the farm. So friend, this is a problem of that the farmers they have no store capacity to store the water and they have no energy. So this is our modern technology project which helpful to the farmers in the next few years. So we know about the agriculture, but this is mainly occupied by the agriculture. So friends, agriculture was the main occupation, but this type of agriculture we use in a modern India. So thank you to listen my project carefully.